Hello, I'm in a 2016 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you where your aux port, USB ports, and charger ports are. So right up here, we can see an aux port, a USB port, and then one of the charger ports. And then instead of here, and under this, we'll find another charger port right here. And should you have, say, sort of aftermarket radio installed, sometimes they'll run extra cords off to the side or into the glove box, so it's worth double checking in here as well if you've got somewhere else to plug in. And if for some reason these aren't working properly, the first thing I would check are your fuses. Sometimes if a fuse is burnt out, it might interfere with these systems working properly. Alternatively, say like just one of these isn't working right, for example, you might need to get behind the plastic and then see if there's something loose or the connection that needs repaired or reattached, and then hopefully that fixes your issue. But I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.